Hey guys, VirtualBox here, and today I'm going to show you what to do if you have unexpected transparent elements in Windows 11 when running it inside of VirtualBox. So for example, at the minute, if I open up the search, as you can see, I have got unexpected transparency. So to fix that, we're first going to close down the virtual machine, so we'll power it off. And then in the list of VMs, we're going to select our Windows 11 VM, and we're then going to click Settings. Then in the settings, we're then going to come to Display. And we're then going to come down to the bottom where it says Extended Features, and we're going to uncheck the Enable 3D Acceleration box. So if we unselect that, and we then click OK, and we start the VM up again. Now if we come and open it up again, as you can see, we no longer have the unexpected transparency. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you decide to hit the dislike button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.